Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going to look at Injective here. So INJ, you can see I did draw a box on the chart here. So INJ, in my opinion, needs to stay over $5 here. That is almost where the 200-day moving average is. So from the 200 up to the 1618 here at about 535. That is your price to hold for this thing to not actually roll over into a downtrend, which it looks like it's trying to do here off of this fat red candle that spawned in. And you can see the moving averages are curling down here. The Heikin-Ashi candles you can see are red. They do not have a shadow on these candles here, so it is trending down. It is about to roll over from this uptrend here into a downtrend from what you can see on the chart here. One good thing is, though, you can see that this blue line here, we have the price going down from this point to this point at support here. We have a nice little bounce at the moment. We were at 580. We are now at 590 now, so this candle's going up. You can see the money flow index. We do have bullish divergence here, so you might have gotten that bounce you needed here at this 1618, and this thing's going to start going either sideways or back up. So we will see. As long as you hold this price here, these moving averages will probably start curling back up and help support the price and push it higher. So from where you are right now, let's just go ahead and quickly measure this. From where you are right now at about 590, if that was your bottom and that bullish divergence does play out, your first resistance, of course, you're looking at about a 62% move. If you can get through your moving averages here, of course, you're sitting right below the 100 here. So if you can get above 610, you get above 610, you have your 50 and your 21 right here about to cross bearish, but they are currently sitting at that 678 and 688 level. So a little bit of resistance here. You may end up getting stuck here and coming back down, but as of right now, you did get a little bounce here. You do have this bullish divergence here, and you do have the stock RSI down here at the bottom. So if this thing starts to curl back up, then you may get a nice bounce on your hands. So just watch those prices there, and ultimately your big price to beat is up here at this 970 level for INJ here, and then just kind of take it from there. So those are your resistance prices to watch, and like I said, as long as you hold this $5 to 535, as long as you hold the 200-day moving average pretty much, because it is curling up still, so it may provide enough support here for this thing to stay alive and to actually start going back up, like I said. But the moment you lose your 200-day moving average, then these are all going to cross bearish, and you're going to roll over into a downtrend. And this move up is going to turn into this move down. And if you end up losing that 200-day EMA, there is a good chance that you come all the way back down to $3, but there is also a good chance that you drop down here to about this $4 level. You can see we do have this 1272 at 390. So there is a potential for this thing to drop about 34%, and potentially even lower, like I said, down here to 3. But if you lose this box and you lose the 200, I would say this $4 range should get hit on INJ. And, you could come down here and consolidate and then move up. There is a chance, all the altcoins, all the coins out there are kind of dying at the moment. Some things are bouncing on support, other things are completely dying. There is a chance that there is one more flush to the downside, and we do hit lower price targets for a couple of months of consolidation before we actually start getting into that bull run this next less than a year now until the halvening. So yeah, now's the time. Like I've been saying, now's the time to start loading up. So if something like INJ here is on your radar and it drops down to $3.90, $4, even $3 at some point before we go back up, that is the time to load your position for that next bull run. So we will see, but we'll leave it at that for now. Of course, none of this is financial advice, and thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.